Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and it actually feels like it's been so long since I've sat down and filmed a video for you guys, although it probably hasn't really been that long. If you saw from my previous two videos, I did do a what I wore in Seville, mainly because I've done travel diaries for Seville before, so I just decided to kind of switch things up a little bit. So I'll link that down below if you guys haven't seen it. And then for Paris, I did do a travel diary, which I am like obsessed with. It turned out so nice. It was my first time in Paris, so it was really exciting. I fell in love. I'm ready to move. Let's go. So as you saw, I was only in Paris for like 2.5 days, so obviously most of my shopping was done in Seville just because I've been there before, and I just kind of know the area really well. The first thing that I have is this little blouse, and this is from Stradivarius, and it is so beautiful. It has like a very vintage, like Victorian type feel to it with the high neck with the ruffles on it, and the entire blouse is made out of like a crochet type thing. I actually don't even think this is actually crochet. I don't think that's the proper term for it. And it has like little ruffles on the shoulder as well, so I thought this would look really cute in the summertime with like overalls or something. And then the second thing that I got from Stradivarius is this amazing green coat. I posted this on my Instagram story when I was in the store because it's just absolutely stunning. Like, when do you ever see clothing pieces in this color, especially on like a coat? I feel like you don't really see that very often. And then the last thing that I got from Stradivarius is this little hat, and it is a cabbie hat that has like this plaid print on it in like pink, red, brown, and white, and I just thought it would be really cute. I absolutely loved it when I saw it, and I thought this would be really fun. I have a pink coat that's like this exact shade of pink, so I'll probably be wearing that together with this. The next like clothing type piece that I got are these boots. I also posted these on my Instagram story because they're just like amazing, and they are these like off-white kind of creamy like go-go knee-high boots. They ended up being like $20 once I convert like money and whatever, so they were really affordable. They're adorable. They're gonna match with like literally everything just because they are like an off-white kind of color. I did get a lot of hats. You guys know I love hats. Like, you know how some girls are like obsessed with shoes, or like I like shoes as much as like the next person, but like hats, dresses, and coats are like my thing. Like, that's probably what I buy the most of. I did get this little beret, and this one is like a brown, like a dark brown and like caramelly kind of color plaid beret, and it is so cute, very like vintage, like 1940s kind of style. I really love it. I think this will look really cute with like a trench coat or something. I have two more hats to show you, and one of them is this like really massive faux fur beret. I got this from Parfois. I don't know if it's like Parfois, Parfois. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it. I say Parfois, I'm not really sure. I ended up getting this on sale for like €5, which is like amazing. And it is honestly the softest thing you've ever felt in your life. I kind of just want to cuddle with it. It's so cute. From Parfois, I also got these little like cuffs, and these are again faux fur. I ended up getting these for like €5, and they are the exact same kind of like super soft material. I'm like obsessed with it. And then the last hat that I got was this little straw beret, and I thought this would be perfect for the summertime. It's a great compromise because I'm always wearing my berets in the summertime, and people are always like, I'm like, that's a winter hat, like why are you wearing that? So this is like the perfect compromise for that because it's like a beret, but it's like in a summer texture. So this will be really fun. I've been seeing these all over the place, so I was really excited when I found this. The next things that I got were these two little like silk scarves. So I ended up getting this one that has a bit of like an orange, blue, and like a cream color. It's really cute. I love it. I didn't really have anything with like an orange tone, and since the print is so small, it just kind of like matches anything pretty much. And then the second one that I got was this one that has more of like a pink and gray color, and again this one's one of those ones that have like all the pleats on it, which kind of adds a little bit more texture to the outfit, which I think is really fun. So this can be tied like around your neck or like in your hair. I'm mostly going to be using it for my hair. I did pick up two pairs of earrings, and the first ones are these really big blue ones. I ended up getting these for like €3, so that was really fun. They have like that very like 1960s kind of look to it. I didn't really have any blue earrings, so I thought this would be really fun. I also got these ones that are black and white, and I thought these would be really fun. I actually really like the way that it looks with dark hair, just because you kind of almost only see the white lines just because the black kind of fades into my hair. I also picked up this little necklace, and it is like a heart little pendant, but it's actually made out of like all of these little strings, so it has like more of a geometric kind of style to it, which I think is really pretty, as well as it just kind of looks really dainty. I love necklaces that have hearts on them. I don't know, I think it's really pretty. I also ended up picking some sunglasses from Primark, and these are so cute. They have like purple lenses on them, and I think that's so so much fun. I have some like different colored lenses sunglasses. I know they're like kind of like on their way out of style, but I think they're so much fun, so like I'm gonna still keep wearing them. I ended up getting this little jewelry box. It's like cream and it has like a zipper that goes all around. And the reason that I got this, it's gonna sound like so stupid, but okay, so I have all of these kind of earrings that are more like 60s and like colorful, but I don't like the way that they look when I open my jewelry drawer because everything else is like gold and silver. So I was like, I need a different place to store them so that it doesn't like annoy me every time I open this drawer. So here comes this little jewelry box. So this is where I'm going to be storing all of my like 60s style earrings, so that way that I don't get annoyed when I open the drawer. And then the very last thing that I got in Seville is this little orange bag, and it is like a burnt orange, and it's like a really nice and structured bag. I'm like obsessed with it. This is from Sfera. It has gold hardware, which is usually my choice. If I can choose between silver and gold, I would always choose gold. And it has a nice little top handle, as well as you can add the crossbody strap, but you guys know how I feel about crossbodies. It's just like not my thing. So I'm most likely just going to be holding it like this. It's really nice and roomy, so I feel like I'll be able to fit like my full wallet and my vlogging camera and like all my other things that I have. I've actually been thinking of doing a what's in my bag video, so if you guys want to see an updated one, let me know in the comments below. So yeah, that's everything that I got in Seville. I did end up picking a few small things in Paris, so let me show you those. I did stop at Chanel because when you're in Paris, you have to go to Chanel. I could not. Unfortunately, while I was there, that's when Karl Lagerfeld passed away, unfortunately. So when I went to the flagship store, they had all of these flowers kind of like laid out that people had left behind, which I thought was really nice. But anyway, so I went into the Chanel store and I ended up getting, this is so dumb, like I've been wanting this for so long, but I can't find it in stores here, so I just kind of lucked out that they had it. And it is the compact mirror for like my purse, and I am like so excited. So it just looks like this, like a basic, like all their other compacts, and then when you open it, you have the mirror inside to like put your lipstick on or whatever and just look really fancy. And then the second thing that I got at Chanel is a lipstick, and this is actually the shade that the girl that was helping me was wearing. It's like a really nice, like kind of like a deeper, like a raspberry kind of color almost. It's really nice. When you just dab it onto your lips, it just looks like you've been eating a popsicle, and then you can just kind of like layer it on for like a really like dark color. I did get 2 berets while I was in Paris because I don't know, I was in Paris and like you guys know I love berets, so like I just had to. And this one is a peach color, which I have never seen before, and I'm pretty sure I have a coat that is this exact shade in like my spring summer closet downstairs. I'm so excited. I'm hoping that it's the same shade because I think that would look really, really cute. And then I ended up getting this little baby blue one. This is a bit more of a smaller beret. It's not as big as the other one, but I think this will be really nice for like the springtime as well. And then last but not least, I do have one little vintage magazine that I got like on all those little like stands by the water. They have all the vintage magazines and posters and stuff. I showed that in my travel diary, and I wish I had more time to just spend there and like just buy a bunch of other things. Unfortunately, I kind of just walked by and like looked as I was walking. This is an L from 1952, and this cover is just like absolutely everything. Like look at the little vintage like advertisement on the back. I could literally just die. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that I bought while I was away. I feel like there's a lot of things just because a lot of the things are really small. I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know what item was your favorite in the comments below. Make sure you check out my other videos, my travel diaries, what I wore in Seville. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Follow me on Instagram. What else do I have left to say? I don't even know. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!